Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss some more problems on tangents and normals. First, let us consider this problem. Show that the length of the portion of tangent to the asteroid, this is equation of asteroid, intercepted between the coordinate axis is constant. First, let us find the equation of tangent at the point xy. For this, we have to find dy by dx. Now, consider the equation. Consider the equation x2 by 3 plus y2 by 3 is equal to a2 by 3. Now, first we have to find the dy by dx. For this, we have to differentiating with respect to x both sides. Will give us 2 by 3 x minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 y minus 1 by 3 dy by dx is equal to 0. This will give us dy by dx as minus x minus 1 by 3 by y minus 1 by 3, or it can be written as minus y 1 by 3 by x 1 by 3. I can write my dy by dx in this form. Therefore the equation of tangent at any point xy is given by this dy by dx into x minus x. This is my equation of tangent. Now we have to find the intersection of this tangent with the coordinate axis, that is x-axis and y-axis. First, with x-axis, the tangent meets x-axis when y is equal to 0. Now substituting y is equal to 0 in this equation, tangent will meet x-axis when my y is equal to 0. We have to find the intersection of tangents with the coordinate axis. First we are finding with the x-axis. Now substituting y is equal to 0 in equation of tangent will give us minus y is equal to minus this into x, or I can write this as, taking this here point by 1 by 3, I can write this as in this form, which on simplification will give us y 1 minus 1 by 3, that is x 1 by 3 by 2 by 3, or x is equal to x 1 by 3 by 2 by 3 plus x. I can write this in this form. Now x 1 by 3, now this can be written as, from the equation of the asteroid, this is equal to a2 by 3 minus x2 by 3 plus x. This is x 1 by 3 a2 by 3, and this will give us x plus x, that is this is equal to x 1 by 3 a2 by 3. Okay, therefore point of intersection with x-axis is x 1 by 3 a2 by 3 comma 0. This will be the point of intersection with x-axis. Again the tangent will meet y-axis when my x is 0. Now taking x to be 0 in the equation of tangent will give us minus x. This is minus will get cancelled out. This will give us y 1 by 3 x this, that is this is equal to y 1 by 3 x 2 by 3. Therefore y is equal to y 1 by 3. Now from the equation of asteroid, this can be written as a 2 by 3 minus y 2 by 3 plus y, and this is y 1 by 3 a 2 by 3, and this is minus y plus y. Therefore point is y 1 by 3 into a 2 by 3. Therefore point of intersection of tangent with y axis is 0 comma y 1 by 3 a 2 by 3. These are the points of intersection with x axis and the y axis, that is with coordinate axis. Now we have to find the length of the tangent intercepted between the coordinate axis. Therefore the length of tangent intercepted between coordinate axis points are x 1 by 3 a 2 by 3, and this is the second point with y axis. This is the point a 1 by 3 y 1 by 3 a 2 by 3, and this is equal to length is given by this is equal to this 0 minus this point, 0 minus x 1 by 3 a 2 by 3 whole square plus this minus 0 whole square, and this is equal to x 2 by 3 a 4 by 3 plus y 2 by 3 a 4 by 3. This is equal to a 4 by 3, taking common this is, and from the curve of the asteroid this is equal to a 2 by 3, that is this is equal to a square, which is constant. Okay, hence proved. Next we consider the next example. Example 2. Find where the tangent is parallel to x axis, and where it is parallel to y axis for the following curves that we have to find for the following curves. First is x cube plus y cube is equal to a cube, and second curve given to us is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3ax1. Okay, now consider first curve x cube plus y cube is equal to a cube. First we have to find the dy by dx. Differentiating with respect to x both sides. Will give us 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx is equal to 0. That is dy by dx is equal to minus x square by y square. Now we have to find the point where tangent is parallel to x axis and is parallel to y axis. Now when tangent is parallel to x axis, when tangent is parallel parallel to x-axis, slope is equal to 0. Slope, that is dy by dx, is equal to 0. When tangent is parallel to x-axis, in that case slope is equal to 0, that is dy by dx is equal to 0. And here dy by dx is minus x square by y square, that is x is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 gives y cube is equal to a cube, that is y is equal to a. Okay, therefore at the point 0a, tangent is parallel to x-axis. Also when tangent is parallel to y-axis, dy by dx is infinity, that is dx by dy is equal to 0. Dy by dx stands to infinity, that means dx by dy is equal to 0. Therefore now dx by dy is y square by x square minus dx by dy is minus y square by x square is equal to 0, will give us y is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 0 gives x cube is equal to a cube, that is x is equal to a. Therefore at the point a0, tangent is parallel to y-axis. Okay, same way we find the point where tangent is parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis for the second curve. Second curve given to us is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. Differentiating with respect to x both sides, this is 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx is equal to 3a. Now applying product rule of differentiation, this is y plus x dy by dx. This will get cancelled out. This is x square plus y square dy by dx equal to ay plus ax dy by dx. This is y square minus ax dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square, that is dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square upon y square minus ax. When tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore ay minus x square is equal to 0, that is y is equal to x square by a. Now substituting y is equal to x square by a in x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy will give us x cube plus x power 6 a cube is equal to 3a x cube upon a. Okay, now this will give us, this implies x cube by a cube minus 2x cube is equal to 0. Now this is equal to, this gives us, this implies x cube is equal to 2a cube. This gives us x cube is equal to 2a cube. That is x is equal to 2 1 by 3 into a. And from y is equal to x square by a, this is equal to 2 1 by 3 into 2 1 by 3 into a square upon a. That is, this is equal to this y. Therefore at the point 2 1 by 3 into a and this point tangent is parallel to x axis. Also when tangent is parallel to y axis, when tangent is parallel to y axis, dx by dy is 0. Okay, therefore dx by dy is 0 will give us y square is equal to ax, that is x is equal to y square by a. Now substituting x is equal to y square by a in x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy will give us y6 by a cube plus y cube is equal to 3a y cube by a. That is y6 by a cube minus 2y cube is equal to 0. And on simplifying, I get this as in this form. I get y cube is equal to 2a cube. That is y is equal to 2 1 by 3 into a. This is my y, and x is equal to y square by a, that is 2a square by a, that is, this is 2 by 3 into a. This is my x. Therefore at the point this, my tangent is parallel to y axis. Tangent is parallel to y axis at this point. Okay, this is how we have to find the we have to solve the given questions. Okay, now let us consider the next example. Prove that the equation of the tangent at any point 4m square 8m cube of the semi-cubical parabola x cube minus y square is equal to 0 is y is equal to 3mx minus 4m cube, and show that it meets the curve again at the point m square minus m cube where it is normal if 9m square is equal to 2. This is the question. See, we have a equation of semi-cubical parabola. We have to find the tangent to this semi-cubical parabola given by this at the point this. First we have to find the equation of tangent to this curve at this point. We have to show this tangent comes out to be equal to this, and in the second part of the question we have to show that it is the normal, this tangent is the normal at this point if this condition holds. See, here we have to show it meets the curve again at this point where it is normal, means we have to show this tangent is normal to the curve at this point if this condition holds. That is what we have to prove in this particular question. First we start with the tangent. Okay, now consider the equation semi-cubical parabola x cube minus y square is equal to 0. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, I get 3x square minus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to 3x square by 2y, and at the point we have to find at the point 4m square and 8m cube. At 4m square 8m cube, dy by dx is equal to 3 4m square by 2 into 8m cube. That is, it is equal to 3 into 4 into 4 into m power 4 upon 2 into 8 into m cube. Now this is 16. We are left with 3m. Okay. Therefore tangent at the point 4m square 8m cube is given by y minus 8m cube into 3m x minus 4m square, that is this, minus 3mx plus 12m cube is equal to 0. That is y plus 4m cube minus 3mx is equal to 0. That is y is equal to 3mx minus 4m cube. Hence proved. First part of the question is proved. Okay. Now we have to show this line is normal to semi-cubical parabola at the point m square comma minus m cube. That is the next part of the question. Okay. Now let us find the normal to the curve at the point m square comma minus m cube. Okay. Let us find the normal to the curve. Now for this we need minus dx by dy. Now minus dx dy is equal to minus 2y by 3x square from here. Okay, this. Now at the point, now my point is m square minus m cube. Minus dx by dy is equal to minus 2 minus m cube upon 3 m square whole square. this gives us 2 by 3m. Okay, now to find the equation of normal. Now to find equation of normal at this point. Now equation of normal at m square minus m cubed. This is equal to y plus m cube is equal to 2x minus m square 2 by 3m, and this gives us 3m y plus m cube minus 2 x minus m square is equal to 0. That is 3my plus 3m4 minus 2x plus 2m square is equal to 0. That is, this can be written as minus 2x plus 3my minus 2x plus 3my is equal to minus 2m square minus 3m4, or I can write this as 2x minus 3my is equal to 2m square plus 3m4. Okay, mark this as equation number 1. Now equation of tangent. Now equation of tangent can be rewritten in the form 3mx minus y is equal to 4m cube. Okay, now we can rewrite my equation of tangent, which we have proved in first part. Now 1 and 2. Now this is the equation of normal at this point, and this is the equation of tangent which we have proved in the first part. Now 1 and 2 will represent the same line, if 2 by 3m is equal to minus 3m by minus 1 is equal to 2m square plus 3m4 upon 4 cube. If this satisfies, if this condition holds, then in that case these two lines are same, or in other words, this will be a normal at the point this, which is the second part of the question. Okay, now from these two identities I get minus 2 is equal to minus 9m square. That is 9m square is equal to 2. Okay, now this is the condition for this line to be a normal at the point this. This is the condition, hence proved. Okay, that's it for tangents and normals. If you have any doubts, any suggestions, please write to me in comment box. In my next video, I am going to discuss about singular points. Okay, thank you.